Hey, Iowa, I'm Emmalyn, and I'm going to take you and my dad on a tour of the Fun Forest Wooden Train. Let's go. There are lots of places to play on this thing, but be prepared to crawl.
Here I go.
The train is pretty popular with kids, so it might be a tight squeeze if you bring your dad up.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you laughing at?
The train lets you see a lot of the Fun Forest. There's a playground, a stage, a climbing wall, and more. Hey, Dad, want a race?
Yeah, but I had one hand on the camera. Ah.
Back at the train, kids climb all over this thing. Please be safe and don't climb up unless you're certain you can climb down. All right, that's the whole tour. Dad, any advice for other dads?
Well, maybe bring knee pads. Take your time and have fun with it, because your kids are.
Thanks for checking out the Wooden Train with me. Grab an adult and come climb on it yourself.